how life and love might still go on.
Did they just hit the railing?
In your mind,
I think they did.
I'll stay with you.
Okay. I was expecting them to get in my lane. I wasn't expecting that. Okay.
Save your pity for the one.
We usually use turn signals. Dude, sober? I don't know. The fact that it's 2 weeks away is starting to hit me where I'm like, fuck, I have so much to do. And then I look at my schedule and I'm like, fuck, I'm meeting up with so many people because I'm not going to see most of these people for a long time. So I'm like, God. Okay. Okay, so you just jump the light entirely. I'm gonna watch someone wreck doing that. What are you stopping for? see them look up. This is a normal stop sign that you just blew at speed. But you are in the middle of the road. Is that twice that's happened? What the fuck? Okay, don't speed up to block me, you cuck. What's that behind me doing? What are you fucking doing? What are they doing here?
Widening the road.
Honestly,
Apparently.
good. This spot has always been dog shit, but
Sure.
how are you?
I am good, mostly.
Mostly?
I am working on a Lego set piece, and I dropped the head today, so now I'm gonna have to completely rebuild it.
Oof. Have you tried not dropping the head?
See, that's what I was
Alright,
trying
a joke that has to be made. So no head?
to